Why I'm going to share with you this recipe today? I got the story to tell you.
So what have you cooked? And what about the sauce you used for? Oh, that's why. Okay, let me share with you how to make an easy garlic sauce.
Broccoli stir fry, but this one is huge. Hello everyone, I'm Sue and she's Rainbow, my lovely partner. Today we are going to make a garlic sauce. This is an extremely versatile dish and it can fit in on all the dishes like broccoli stir fry with garlic sauce and vegetables, or even seafood and so on. You name it, this is very versatile and easy to make it. When you go to the local market to pick garlic, it's better to pick a big garlic to save a little bit time on the peeling the skin. And one more thing to share with you is when you pick the garlic, probably you will find some in purple color or in whiter color. This one with more purple color and this is more white color. For the purple one, it is more garlic flavor. So if you really like garlic, better to pick some with the purple color. What we are going to do is we peel off the skin first. And let's prepare one plastic bag. Don't you know? Mama 整呢個。係喎。Look at that. See, this is very big glove. And in normal size, it's like this size, but this one is huge. You save time on peeling. I'm going to share with you a very tricky way to peel off the skin without using knife. Wah, 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 wah. And we put all the gloves inside. We zip it. We give a hole to release the air out. Okay, and then I'm going to use this. It's a garlic presser. For what? Make sure you press every single glove. And you will see the skin already break through. It's done. Let's check. Ooh. See, it's automatically peeled off. We throw away. This is done. 好大陣味喎 Rainbow. Automatically peel off. Wait, Rainbow. Rainbow 你同我一齊整係咪啊？ Another way is this area is too hard, then we can cut it off first and then put into the plastic bag. Take out the hard part first. It makes it more easier. Wow, Rainbow 你好犀利喎！ We take out the hard part, put it into the plastic bag, okay? Wow. Okay. Ooh. They peel off very easily. Dun, we peel off all the skin. It's so easy and clean. Okay, let me prepare few more. Rainbow 你咪有啊？你俾媽媽。This is the easiest way, but we have to cut both edges. So now we have to cut it into very small. You can use food processor to make it, or we can use garlic presser, but today I'm going to chop it. Chop it first. When we chop it, we can decide how big you want, because some people they want the chunky chunky texture, but some people they want a very fine and smooth texture. It is always up to you. And today I'm going to show you how to make this. Stay tuned. Okay, more or less like this, then we can chop it. Garlic toast biscuits. When you're making garlic sauce, I prefer you to use the knife with a slightly curved here. You see the curve here? Then you can push like this and swing it. Swing, 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 swing. If that is only a straight line, you can only chop, 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 chop. Ayo! Bless you! See, look, ayo! Look at that! So small now. Hey, 哎呀！你攞咗我塊布啊？等陣 this is when you are cutting, you better to put a cloth inside. It's safer than your chopping. Then your chopping board won't move around. So this is okay, and then we can put it into a jar. Wow, 好叻喎！ She seems like want to eat it. No. Okay, 俾媽媽整啦，俾媽媽整啦。好啦，俾你。哎呀！啊，咁。好啦，咁樣係咪啊？咁樣。哇！好啦，唔好啦。你睇下成台都係啦。俾你。媽媽俾個提子你。哎呀，俾個提子你。俾個提子你。Clean it up first. 哎呀！ And I cut a little bit more, then I can fill it into the whole bottle. And now we need oil to put inside. Make sure the oil is cover all the garlic to prevent oxidization. And next time when you stir fry it, and then you don't have to put the oil, you just spoon in 1 to 2 tablespoons as you want. Some people they will put salt inside, but I prefer not to because I'm not sure what I'm going to cook next time or the next time. So it's better not to do anything but just preserve it. See, this is already preserved. You can put it into the fridge in around 1 month. Dun. I know you may do a large pot, but how can we fix it? We can't eat it all. So we can give it to our friends and families. We make a gift like this. We prepare a square sheet. We cover on the top. The paper should be bigger into the lid. See, like this? A square one. Then we cover the lid and we'll put it on top. And use elastic band. Ooh, voila! Oh, it's just so nice, isn't it? Dun! We finished our simple garlic sauce. Don't you think it's very simple?
Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day, having a good day, having a real good morning.
And I'm going to use this sauce to make a broccoli stir fried. If you want to see the next video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video and we will see you next time. See you. Rainbow. Say goodbye. Rainbow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.